The surface of Venus is so hot that the longest a lander survived on it is just 128 minutes. It was Soviet Union's Venera 13 mission. However, in those little over 2 hours, the lander unveiled the reality of Venus that shocked astronomers. It captured and transmitted images of Venus's rugged and unforgiving landscape, while gathering crucial data on the atmosphere's temperature, pressure, and composition. Notably, Venera 13 made history by recording and transmitting the actual sounds of another planet. The lander also revealed that Venus has a surface temperature of 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Additionally, the lander recorded a surface air pressure approximately 90 times higher than that of Earth. Venera 13 remains the longest surviving lander on Venus, and its data continues to be studied by scientists today. For more videos of Cosmos in a Minute, follow The Secrets of the Universe.